How are you everyone? So today let us look at how you can play around with this problem, or you can solve this issue. You have seen this using Photoshop CS, CC or 2018 or any other version, and boom, it brings this message: could not apply at the workspace because there is not enough memory. So how would you go about that? Let me first of all show you how that problem can be solved, and that's the reason as to why you're watching this video. And we need to do it. Not enough memory, not enough memory with Photoshop. Okay, so and you cannot save, you cannot edit, you cannot add filters to your image, so it becomes hectic and you cannot literally use Photoshop. So what do we do? Let us edit our registry. Let us add some values to our registry. Let us edit registry, edit. Okay, let us now first of all come to registry, edit. Let us come to our keyboard, and we are going to put our focus on these two tabs, the window key and then the arrow. Tap them, hold the window key and then tap on arrow to come to run here, and then type in reg edit, and enter. Yes, so now we are here and our registry. Let us now start changing something. Let us come to H key, local machine. Let us come to software. Let us come to Adobe. Let us come to Photoshop, and I have here two versions. I have the 140 and the 150. So get one like here, click on the folder just here, then come here and say new, the word 32 key, and then type in override physical memory MB. So this is one word, override physical memory MB. So it's one word, and don't put spaces, and where I've put capital letters, it's where you put capital letters. So click out, then double click, come to this, and then just put a figure here. Let us put 4,600 MBs, and then say okay. Or you can put 6,400 or 6,500 and then say okay. So it has changed. Then close your Photoshop and launch it again. The next time you launch it, it will be in position to give you everything the way you want it. So that's how you play around with this error, and that's how we solve it. There could not have or could not apply the workspace because there is not enough memory RAM. So that is it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.